Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy you're here because today I'm going to be showing you 3 healthy recipes that I absolutely love. They are snacks. If you're anything like me, I'm a hardcore snacker. I can't say no to the snacks. So I've come up with 3 different recipes. I didn't come up with them, but I have 3 different recipes. And I'm going to share them with you today. They're so freaking good. But before we dive in, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a video from me. So today we're gonna be making 3 different recipes. The first one is gonna be BCAAs with like jello, so it's gonna be like little gummies. This one is Dippin Dots, so we're gonna do protein Dippin Dots. And then finally we're gonna finish off with some energy bites. Okay, so the first recipe that we're gonna do is like the BCAA Gummies. So you're gonna need 3 packs of unflavored gelatin. You're gonna need BCAAs from whichever one that you choose. I'm using Bucked Up Strawberry Mojito. It's amazing. So we're gonna go with that. Today I have some strawberry gummies. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna add each packet into a bowl with a scoop of the BCAAs, and then I have half a cup of boiling water going right now. We're gonna pour that in, mix it all together, and then pour it in to our adorable little heart tray. So now that these sat for about 20 minutes, we are going to pop them out. I'm nervous for this. It's so cute. For the next recipe, we're gonna be making the Dippin Dots. So you're gonna need non-fat Greek yogurt. You can use the vanilla one. I've had that one. It makes it pretty sweet. Today I'm just going with a regular non-fat Greek yogurt. What you're gonna do is you can either do it in however many bowls you want depending on the flavors that you have. So today I'm just keeping it very, very simple. Just going with 2. I could add a 3rd bowl and add some chocolate protein to it, whatever I really am feeling. So what you're gonna do is just scoop however much Greek yogurt you want into the bowl. There's really no set measurements for it. And then whatever number of bowls you have, you're gonna divide your scoops by. So I just took half a scoop in this bowl and half a scoop in this bowl. If I was adding another one, I would just do probably another half scoop per bowl, just because I think flavor-wise that's good. But if you want a stronger flavor, you can just go with, obviously, 3/4 to a full scoop. So I went ahead and already mixed this all in. You're just gonna mix the yogurt in with the protein. Just for looks, I'm gonna add a little bit of food coloring to make it look like it's pink and white, make it look pretty. So then from there, I'm just gonna mix them up, put them into bags and squeeze them out, pop them in the freezer for a few hours until they're ready, and then we'll be good to go. So I cut the ends off the bags just so I can squeeze them out. Now that I'm looking at this one's gigantic, so well. But you're just gonna squeeze them out into dots right on the parchment paper. So finally, we're making our energy bites. So you're gonna need some oats. This time I'm adding some chia seeds. You could use flaxseed, hemp seed, really whatever you want if you want to add this at all, but I figured I just got some today, so I'll throw it in there today. For the peanut butter, you can either use regular, I recommend using the creamy peanut butter, or you can use a powdered peanut butter. Today I'm making them for Drew, my cameraman today, so he wants the regular, so that's what we're gonna go with today. Then I also add some honey and some chocolate chips to it as well. So when I am making these, to To be honest, I really don't have, again, measurements. I kind of just wing it until it all feels good. Basically what you want to get to is so everything combines very easily. You don't want too much peanut butter, then you're going to want to add some more oats. If it feels like it's too dry, you can add some more peanut butter, blend it in with some honey, that kind of stuff. But really it's just preference on the texture. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this bowl, place it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. It makes it easier when you're rolling it. So from there, after the 10 minutes is up, I'm gonna pull them back out, roll them into balls, however big you want, big or small that you want. I prefer about that big because then it's easier to kind of pop them on the go. So yeah. All right, so now that they've sat for about 10 minutes, we are going to roll them out. So just take little scoops. Whatever size you want, going about that big. And then after they're all rolled, that is it. They're good to go. So pop them back in the fridge for a little bit longer. Obviously they're super sticky right now because of the peanut butter. But you want to let them sit for, I guess, an hour should be fine. And then go from there. I like to prep them out for like my snacks and stuff, so I'll put them in little containers for each day. That way I already have them ready for me, ready to go, to just pop it in my bag and get moving. All right, that's all I have for you today. If you love these recipes, again, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I have so many good things planned coming your way. You can also check the description box below for all the ingredients, measurements if I use them, and all of that good stuff. I will see you in the next video.